In the fast-paced world of technology, electronic components are constantly evolving and improving. As a result, many components that were once essential are now obsolete. This means that they are no longer manufactured and can be difficult to find. When it comes to obsolete electronic components, it is common practice to procure the necessary obsolete components rather than redesigning the replacement components. Typically, this can lead to more functional problems than expected. What are obsolete electronic components? Obsolete electronic components are parts that are no longer being manufactured or sold by their original manufacturer and can only be found from the distributor of obsolete electronic components. This can be due to several reasons, including changes in technology, changes in manufacturing processes, or simply a lack of demand. Obsolete components distributor can provide things like transistors, resistors, capacitors, and other electronic parts. Why are obsolete electronic components still needed? Although newer components may be available, but obsolete component suppliers are still needed for various reasons. For example, if a piece of equipment is still functioning but needs a replacement component, it may be found from a distributor of ICs. Additionally, some older equipment was built using obsolete components, and replacement parts needs electronic components testing service to keep the equipment functioning. How can we find suppliers for obsolete electronic components? Check with electronic component distributors. Check with electronic component brokers. Search online. Join online communities. Consider alternative components. In some cases, it may be possible to use a newer component as a substitute for a distributor of integrated circuits. However, it is important to make sure that the substitute component is compatible with the equipment and will not cause any issues. When it comes to sourcing obsolete electronic component, traceability, testing, and authentication are the keys to ensure functional and continuation of production. At ICHOME, sourcing obsolete components is our specialty. Over the years, our network of suppliers has grown to offer obsolete electronic components with full traceability, and we always work with authorized agents, distributors, or original manufacturers for each brand, with components sourced with official authorization guarantees. When you work with us, you are working with a certified distributor who can offer quality assurance.